Hey guys, subscribe for daily knife content. And if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got a very exciting unboxing to share with you guys. This was sent by my good buddy Scott, and I kind of know what's in here, kind of not. We're going to get through it together, but yeah, I'm really excited to check this out for myself and share it with you guys. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a Patreon link down in the description, and please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Why is he waving it around? Why does he do that? Because people get used to the same intro over and over again, and I want people to follow me on Instagram, so sometimes I wave it around like an idiot. Okay. So, let me get these out, and then there's a note, and I want to first check this out real quick. Yeah. So here, oh, thank you, Scott. I had one made, but this looks better. Please follow Sierra_bound on Instagram. It's because of people like him that I'm able to bring you guys daily knife content. This is the same gentleman who sent me some beautiful, beautiful custom knives a while back. If you guys remember that insane unboxing. We've got some wonderful information here, which means I will be able to accurately identify. If you send me a knife, I love getting, it doesn't have to be typed up, but just information on it right off the bat, having the information so that it's easier for me to start the review process. Scott does an excellent job of providing this, and it's always so, organized, and I know, it's typed out, and I can see the return address and all that. Okay, let's go ahead and do this one first. What do we have here? Nicely packaged, of course. We have another. people like, come on. Oh, boy, yeah. Okay, so we have another Herman knife. Oh, they sing. Oh, I was wondering if that was on purpose or not with the custom. Listen. Oh, sorry, left-handed flip. They sing. Oh, that's so wonderful to find out that that's intentional. I love that. Guys, Herman knives are great. I'm going to tell you right now. So, they are expensive. That version right there of what this is, which, by the way, this is I believe this is a Sting. Yeah. So, this is a Sting. I think Nick Shabazz did a review on this, if you guys want to check that right now, but where can you get this? You can get these right now, as far as I understand, exclusively at Polish Custom Knives. That's where you got to pick these up. I'll link it down below, but they're great over there, by the way. I had a conversation with them on Instagram, just wonderful. But this is a less expensive version than the one that I showed. The one that I showed was actually a slim, but it was Damacor and Timascus. Way more expensive. This is a bronzed fluted titanium, and then we have M390. So this is going to be still expensive because this is definitely a higher tier of knife. This is not the same thing as your Wee knives, your Bestech knives, right, in titanium. This is, honestly, in a lot of ways, these kind of approach kind of how I feel about Shirogorov. They are beautifully made. This Sting is a fantastic size. It's a little smaller than the Slim that I handled. And actually, I think I'm actually, actually, how many times can I say actually in a sentence? I think I'm going to be able to compare with you guys, or compare it with another knife, or with that exactly. Let's go ahead and get this other one out here. We have another pouch here, or another cleaning cloth. And yeah. Ooh, this is another Slim. So here you go. Fantastic. We can actually compare the Slim and the Sting side by side. So you can see here, this is definitely a larger knife. I want to say these are about 8 3/4 overall, and this guy's going to be a little less. Let me go ahead and measure it here. There's no reason to speculate when I can just measure it. So, yeah, the Slim is going to come in at 8 3/4 with a almost a 3.9 inch blade, 3.85. The Sting comes in at 7 3/4. Blade length is about 3.4 with a 3 1/4 inch cutting edge. So that's a wonderful EDC size knife. So more specific information on this. This is Sting number 47. These are numbered blades. These are in small batch. They're not going to be as readily available as like you know, a lot of really popular knives right now, but I know that some of these are actually available on their website. You can go and pick these up right now. These are going to be definitely more, you know, we're talking base on these guys is more the, I'm not looking at the website right now. I think we're looking more like the 550 to 650 territory on base. And then when you start to upgrade and do little things like the carbon fiber inlays, I imagine they get more expensive. Of course, with more exotic materials and different blade materials, right? It can get more expensive. But anyways, we have the Sting number 47 and the Sting the Slim 24. He apparently restarted numbering for the Slim X Damacor named models. Okay, interesting. I'm sending, so you have a follow-up for the full dress Slim review. As you mentioned several times, I'd like to show something more reasonably priced. So that's cool. Thank you very much. These are currently unused, so I'd like to keep it that way, which is fine. If you send me a knife, you get to dictate, of course, whether or not it gets used. That's completely and totally up to the person who sends it, because these go back. He's not intending for me to keep these. These will go back. Let me turn the exposure up just a little bit so you guys can actually see what you're looking at here. Let's see here. Feel free to do the hardware check, cut paper, appreciate it. Okay, yeah, no problem. And yeah, excellent. P.S. Mr. Herman sends a tool with every proprietary pivot knife he sells, because he apparently has a lot of, you can see here, different pivot right there. This has got a pivot similar to the one that I looked at, right? So there's a tool. So that's pretty neat. So even if you end up with one of these, like if you've got a kind of a thing against proprietary hardware, he does send the tool. We'll tell you guys the action on both of these is extremely similar. Oh, I love finding out. Listen to that. This one sings too. I can't. That is so cool that's just a product of the model. Not everybody enjoys that type of sound with their knives, but I can't tell you. The other Slim that I unboxed, and when I did the review, I commented on this. I don't know if you guys have seen the review yet. I don't know when it's scheduled, but that is the identical sound that the other Slim made. Identical. So these knives sing, and that's neat. Some people might like that, some people don't. I think it's cool. If it turned out to have been a happy accident, I'd have been like, oh well, then. But no, I think that's a testament to how consistently these are made. I mean, like there's obviously an enormous amount of attention in the detail and the tolerances to these things, and they're made consistently. I love that these are countersunk titanium liner locks. Very beautiful. We have a carbon fiber backspacer on this guy. Oh, look at that. Oh boy, look at that pivot. Carbon fiber on that pivot. And then there's a collar. I imagine it's inlaid into the pivot. And this guy has a textured, what is this? Oh, this isn't carbon fiber. What is this material? I wanted to say zirconium at first, but there's little bits of gold in there. I'm not sure what that is, but my goodness, how beautiful, right? Bronze, M390, nice fully flat ground blade. These are thin behind the edge, guys. These are performance blades and very clean looking. If you're a fan of clean looking lines, Herman knives out of Poland, incredible stuff. Like I said, check out Polish Custom Knives for more information, or the models that are currently listed there. Be sure to follow Sierra Bound on Instagram, and be sure to follow me on Instagram as well. Very excited to take a look at these guys. Each of these knives will get their own full review on this channel here in 2 to 3 weeks, so keep an eye out for that. But that's going to be pretty much it today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that metal complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.